Every year, millions of families suffer from cracks in walls, cracks in ceilings, damage to bricks and concrete. All that is due to shifting foundation. A home foundation is often overlooked until a serious problem occurs. This is a serious and even dangerous problem, but is a problem that in most cases is easily fixed. If you have been experiencing any signs of foundation failure in your home, you need to call a team of skilled professionals dedicated to resolve foundation failure problems. You need someone who has the knowledge and equipment to accurately access the state of your foundation and can also offer advice on how to minimize the risk of problems before they ruin a healthy foundation. Don't wait until it's too late and call us now.